Good afternoon and welcome here to Los Angeles. We're starting here at the Walt Disney Company Piazza, and we're actually going to be going to the museum right over here. We've made it to the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures, which is actually part of the LACMA, or the Los Angeles Contemporary Museum of Art. The Art Center. There's a bunch of museums in this area, but we're going to go to the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures today. Let's go see it. Alright, we've made it inside the lobby. They have a store. Looks like they have a restaurant over here as well. Alright, we're a little early, so we're going to check out the Academy Museum store. Wow, it's very impressive. They have aspect ratios on shirts. Our film nerds are here, nerding out here. I should have wrote this book. They have some Disney stuff here too. Look, the ink and paint. Some other Disney books. It's a postcard set. Ooh, oh, there's Bruno. Hello, Bruno. Ooh, the Walt Disney Film Archives. The Mickey Mouse Club. It's a canteen. You can get a pin of a test pattern. Yes! $15, you get a test pattern pin. Looks like this one's a camera lens. This is an old big broadcast camera. Oh, another broadcast camera. C47. So there's the main store. We just came back here, and all these books. It's amazing what their selection is of books around here, of just movie-based. You can have word searches and quiz books. There's other ones here about different cultures. Alrighty, we're starting the tour now. First room, Stories of Cinema. And this is the Spielberg Family Gallery.
I admire your luck, Mr.
Bond. James Bond.
Alright, moving on to the next room. We're going to go up the escalator. Alright, continuing the tour. We're here in the backdrop exhibit with this impressive view of Mount Rushmore from North by Northwest. Reading more about it, this is the actual one used from North by Northwest in 1959. That's pretty amazing. It's just in this room right here. So here's the actual exterior of the real Mount Rushmore in South Dakota. And then the interior shots were reshot in the studio with this background right here. I mean, this is pretty amazing how that right there, that piece is from an Alfred Hitchcock movie. Now I can't get it in the same shot because it's so big, but there it is. I'm blocking it. There it is. The Mount Rushmore backdrop from North by Northwest. We're approaching the components of movie making. We've got all these different segments of movie making here. We're in the significant movies and movie makers. Moving over to Casablanca. This is the annotated score for Casablanca, written by Max Steiner. You can actually see his personal notes, handwritten notes on there. So here's that scene from Casablanca of him playing the piano. And this is the piano right here. This is the 1929 Academy Awards program. It's almost 100 years old.
It's a reproduction.
Oh, it's a reproduction. But still, you can see what happened that night. We're in the story section now, and over here is a typewriter used by Joseph Stefano, who wrote Psycho. So Psycho was written on that typewriter. Yeah, so here's the script and all the notes, and then all the handwritten notes that go with it. And there's the treatment. Just a lot of work that go into making the story. Right, we're here into the costume design, and they have a lot of costumes from various movies, as well as this room here too. Alright, we made it up to the 3rd floor, and it continues this way. This is the Rolex gallery. Ooh, fancy. We've made it to the animation section. Oh, Mr. Magoo posters. There's a lot in this section too. Here we go. Alright, there's an Ursula maquette. Oh. This is the maquette from Bao, from the Pixar short. Here's the desk from the Disney legend, animator legend, Frank Thomas. The Disney animator who worked on many movies and one of Walt's 9 Old Men. Here are all the faces of Jack Skellington, used by Tim Burton to replace all the stop motion shots. Wow, look at this. Look who's above us. It's Bruce, the shark. Alright, we made it to the top, to the Dolby Family Terrace. This is the Barbra Streisand Bridge. So you walk over the bridge and look at this view coming up here. Wow. I'm glad the clouds kind of burned off so you can see this out here. Wow. If you look carefully, the Hollywood sign's right in the middle of the frame. And then to the right, you can see the Griffith Observatory over there. Look at this view out here. Alright, we made it outside to the LACMA now. And here is the famous light poles where a lot of people take pictures. Right outside here on the street, this is where all the light poles are. A lot of people take pictures out here. I don't get the whole craze of the light poles. Maybe it's just an Instagram thing. For me, it's just a bunch of light poles. I know they light up at night, but we're gonna move on to the big rock over here in the plaza. So I guess this is an art piece, right? It's an art piece. You know why? Because it's rocks. Never mind. So they had to find a rock that fit just this width of this walkway, or did they build the walkway based off the width of the rock? Huh? I don't know. Questions I ask. Just across the street is the Brea Tar Pits. These have been here for pretty much forever, but it's been a while since we've been over here. So let's go see some tar. So if you don't know what the Brea Tar Pits are, these are tar pits that they've actually found mammoth fossils and dinosaurs in. So they're actually excavating them right now in these fossil crates right in the middle of LA here. So it's believed that a lot of these animals fell in the tar, and what's amazing is that the tar is still here. There's a little patch right there, and there's some in the shaded area over there, and this tar has been here for thousands, maybe millions of years. This area is also a public park, so people just come out and walk around here next to the dinosaurs. So here's the water part. Ooh, I was just gonna say, here's the water part, and if you look carefully, randomly there is bubbling action in this water. It's not a fish, it is live tar coming out of the water. It says that mammoths walk down Wilshire. Yeah, Wilshire Boulevard is like 30 feet away from here. But look, looks like these guys were stuck here in the tar. And look, just to our right, there is tar still in the water. We've made it to the famous farmers market here in Los Angeles. We're trying to find a place to eat around here. I know there's plenty of food. We just have to find that right place. Look at the size of those apples. We decided to eat here at McGee's, which is right here in the entrance of Farmers Market. They're cutting our sandwich right now. Alright, so I went with the Reuben sandwich. And you went with the French dip. Right here in the middle of historic farmers market. So while we're eating our food, I'm just amazed how each area has its own themed area. I'm gonna check out this coffee and donut place here. Those fresh donuts right there in the window. Ooh. And over next door they have pizza. Like, you really can't go wrong in this place. Of anything you try, all the food is gonna be good. So we have memories coming here as a kid, and this is the thing we always try to find. Was this peanut butter machine? Where'd it go? Right here. This peanut butter machine. This place has a handwritten note from the Beatles that came here. And there's this picture that was taken right here with this peanut butter machine. And to take home, we took home our own sample of peanut butter. All right, we're cutting through the Grove, which is the mall next to the farmer's market, to go to our next destination. All right, we've made it to Hollywood Boulevard here at the Chinese Theater, and we're gonna head this way towards the El Capitan Theater. And I've never seen it so quiet here because I think the street's blocked off for some sort of premiere. But it's very quiet today here. Well, we came all this way. We found out the Ghirardelli and the El Capitan are both closed today because of the premiere, the Marvel Secret Invasion movie. So both of them are closed. Well, to make up for the closure, we still got ice cream from Ben & Jerry's, which is right here. But now we're sitting here watching them take down all the walls. It's the premiere tonight? It might be tonight. They have lights and everything. We're watching them move the signs around, and there might be a premiere tonight with those lights on right there. Do 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 do. Hi.